Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some wheelchair accessories. I started out by taking a 5 1/4 inch 2x4. This is just some random measurement, just about this size, and 1.5 inch screws. And there's these holes on the side of the armrest. I'll show them to you in a video. And I was thinking I could put a screw in through into this from the 2 holes, and then I could have a cup holder sitting up here. Now for drilling holes, you're going to want to drill knowing where your 2x4 will not interact with the wheel, because as you can see, I originally drilled these holes, but when I would put it on the wheelchair armrest, it would hit the wheel on the bottom. So if I mount it here, then it won't hit. So you're going to want to mount it right on the corner. This is about 1/4 inch away. And then you're going to drill a hole about there and there with a 1/4 inch gap in between each goal. Now that we have the 2 holes drilled, it's time to take a koozie or a cup holder and mount it on the top just like this. I will be taking 1 1/4 inch screws and my soldering iron. It's to the side over here. You'll see it in a minute. And I'm just going to take my soldering iron and put 2 tiny holes in the front and in the back so that I can put my screw through, but the head will hold it in place. And then I can screw it down into the board and it'll stay in place. And before I do that, I'm going to make sure to pre-drill holes for that. Now that we have our koozie in place, it's time to go and grab your wheelchair armrest and mount it to the wheelchair. For mounting this, you'll just put your 2 screws through these holes and then screw it on to the 2 screws that you drilled, or the 2 holes that you drilled at the bottom before. Now that we have it mounted on here, with the screws coming in from this back side into this 2x4, we can just plop a drink in there and we're set. Now for the umbrella holder, you're going to take what you created before and line up the middle, find the middle of the koozie. So for me, that's about here, and just draw a line down it. And then take an umbrella. I have an umbrella here. You need to have a plastic bottom that you could screw into, but wouldn't mess with the main metal piece. And you'll put it on here and put 2 marks where you know it won't interact with your main metal piece that's in the middle. So for me, that's here and here. Next, you'll take 2-inch screws and drive them through here, out the other side, and you'll have your umbrella sitting here. And then the screws will drive up into this. And then when you want to remove the umbrella, just back the screws out like a 1/2 inch, not even, like a 1/4 inch, and then you can remove your umbrella and your screws will just sit out just like that. I forgot to mention this. Make sure to pre-drill holes in the 2 spots that you'll be putting your screws in. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.